Ja, what was your reaction to collaboration with Mark Tuan? He's so nice though. I don't feel any pressure. It's like he's just really nice, and I feel like na-feel ko si Justin, si 2014 Justin, like being so happy. And I remember so many people, my friends during my um, K-pop fan era, like my college classmates, they would be really like happy and proud and inggit. So yeah, I just thought of my friends during that time. I'm happy na ano, you know. Is this not Tagalog? You know, I'm konyo na. I'm konyo na ulit. Red. And my lip gloss. We going away. Ano cravings mo today? Wala. Kumain kami ng sinigang na maasim, na masarap. Sinigang ba yun? Sinigang yun, di ba? Yeah, with Gabi. Oh, sinigang yun. Ja, please greet Ate Jingay. It's her today. Anong it's her today? Bukas ano siya? Him? Your hairstyle looks good on you. Thank you. Thank you to our hairstylist. Kuya Mark. Miss na namin ng Cornhub. Me too, guys. But nagkataon na it's like magkaibang mundo and all these things happening. Isang kayo naman, ina-atake lang ng postpartum. Oh no! Congrats on your baby. I'm zoning the way out. Whoa. Ang tagal ng kanin ko. Gutom na ako. Haba siguro pila sa kainan. Pula, pula, pula. Pula, pula, pula. I like the song Pula though. I love it. Si Miss Malu, she's watching. Hi Miss Malu. Nakauwi na po ba kayo ng Manila? Or you're still in New York? Belated happy birthday po ulit. Hi Ate Rose. Tja, magka-birthday kami ni Ken. Tagal pa ng birthday nyo. Miss Kia! Hi Miss Kia. Sorry, I'm seeing your messages. I just don't have the power to read it yet. Like, I know you'd understand. Oh, English. Hi Miss Malu. Isang dahon nga. Dahon. Walang dahon dito eh. Isang TMI naman dyan. What's my TMI for today? TMI ko. I don't know. Mamaya pag may naisip ako. Sa Ate Rachel, nunood din. Ano gusto mong Pokemon? The Pokemons na gusto ko are most of the grass type starter Pokemons. I like grass bug type Pokemon. So medyo may hinang type. Because I feel like, I don't know, meron akong, ewan ko kung may ganong syndrome. It's like, alam niyo yung, mas gusto ko yung weak and then trying in, I don't know, it's hard to explain. Yeah. Shout out from New Jersey. My family, such a fan of SB19. Hello po. UK. Ken Berry. Pag-greet baby ko, first birthday na niya. IO, name niya? IO? What? Why did you name your baby IO? So, Vowels. So, ang nickname niya ay Vowels. Hey, Vowels! Happy birthday, Vowels! Berms. So, ay Berms. Gaya sa Canva. Di pa ako nagtatanggal ng makeup. That's why nag-live ako kasi may makeup pa ako. But once dumating yung rice ko, I'll just eat and then I'll say bye to you guys. Hey! Hey. Pag-greet, happy birthday, Jamboree. Sino nagpag-greet? I thought I know her. Are you excited flying to Japan? Yes, I am. But mainit dun. Yung weather here, it's so nice. It's so perfect. I mean, it's kind of cold, but it's tolerable, you know. Parang the mix of sun, the heat of sun plus the cold wind, it's perfect. I hope ganun yung weather sa Philippines. It's perfect. Alam nyo ngayon, I'll just kwento something. Meron akong, I've been playing this game ever since. Like, I don't know, since our first tour, like 4 years ago, ganyan. Pero now, na-addict na naman ako sa kanya. Not because I've been to the Riot office, but kasi nilalaro ko siya. Just this, si Maki nanood. What's up, habang buhay pansamantala. Hindi, bago na pala, Just rest on my luck, put your luck on luck. So just rest on my luck. Okay, back again to my story. Ano nga yung kinikwento ko? Yun. So, kasi, nung bago kami lumipad going to LA, I was thinking if I should bring my laptop and my Switch. And sabi ko, no. I just bought a new tablet kasi. Sabi ko, hindi, masyado mabigat yung laptop. Baka hindi naman ako makalaro because we have a very hectic schedule. And Switch naman then baka like it's mabigat or madami na akong dala, parang ganyan. So sabi ko, okay, I'll just bring my tablet. And my, hello, Orum. Bakit Orum? 18 na sila, uy. So, dinala ko tsaka yung regalo ni Miss Kia. Show you. I forgot what it's called. Malamig. What it's called? It's like a book. It's a book. Para siyang ano yung tawag dun? Basta yung book na pero it's so small. Look. Tadan! And I'm reading Remarkably Bright Creatures. So, ang galing kasi tumalo na naman yung story ko. Di ko na nakwento yung game. Pero babalikan ko yung game. Okay. So, nung bago lumipad, pinanood ko yung Remarkably Bright Creatures sa Netflix. Tapos, it's so nice. Like, nakakaiyak siya and it's so cute. The story is cute and wholesome but it's heartfelt. Gusto ko yung mga ganong movies. Tapos very cozy and aesthetic ng settings. So you should watch it. It's my recommendation. And I'm reading the book. So, ang nangyari, dinala ko to, tsaka yung tablet ko. So, syempre, binasa ko na rin. Sabi ko, it's okay. Mas na-imagine ko siya kasi pinanood ko yung movie. Uy, si Inigo. What's up, Inigo? Kamusta? Grabe naman yung kuya. Baka kuya. So anyway, ginamit ko lang siya. Palipad to LA. So, nung nagwe-wait kami ng flight, hanggang sa flight, tapos di ko na siya hinawakan ulit. Oops! Ngayon ko na lang siya ulit hinawakan. Kasi na-addict nga ako sa game dun sa nilalaro ko sa tablet. So, nilaro ko siya ulit. So, tagal kong di nilaro. It's called Legends of Runeterra. It's the card game of League of Legends. So, the Runeterra, the characters there. If you've watched Arcane, so nandun din yung characters doon. It's a card game, pero it's mobile, online. Na-addict ulit ako sa kanya. So, binalikan ko siya. Kasi nga, I don't know, I just wanna play it. Tapos, nung nilaro ko siya, na-addict na naman ako. I can't stop playing it. Like, kung hindi ako nag-live ngayon, I would be playing it right now. Like, that's the last thing also that ginawa ko bago mag-start yung show namin kanina. So, tapos I'm so happy kasi nga we've been to, sabi ko, nagbabalik ako with Legends of Runeterra, tapos naglalaro ako ng League, and then I've been waiting for the new set of TFT. And then, what was it? Tapos mag-visit kami ng Riot office. So I'm so happy. It's so nice. It's so good. It's so refreshing. Sobrang it's, basta, the feeling is, unexplainable. But ayun, so naglalaro ako ulit ng Legends of Runeterra. It's a card game online. Tapos ano, so meron to, I don't know, sa mga naglalaro ng games, meron sa mga games, Battle Pass. League of Justin. Naglalaro ka ba ng, League, Inigo? Or something, ng games? I don't know. So, di ba may mga Battle Pass? Nung nag-start ako maglaro nung flight going here, which is like 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks na ba? 3 or 2 weeks ago. Ganun na lang din yung duration ng Battle Pass. Like, mag-e-end na yung Battle Pass. So, mag-e-end na yung Battle Pass tomorrow. May deadline siya. And I have to collect experiences to finish it. Points para matapos yun. Sa sobrang addict ko, natapos ko na siya ngayon. With just, usually, I think yung Battle Pass is like, actually, di ko alam, 2 months or, hi, Ate Thea. Si Ate Thea from Spit, Manila. Thank you po kasi we have improv section, improv Spit inspired part sa namin, sa fan meet namin. It was really fun. Pag nag-break po kami, apply po ako sa Spit. I wanna do it again. Okay, na-distract ako. Anyways, ayun. So, na-addict ako. Natapos ko yung Battle Pass. Tapos, binili ko tuloy siya kasi natapos ko. Sayang naman yung points. Thank you po, Ate Thea. Tara na. Sali ako. Sali. I wanna do hindi ko pa yung last time, gusto ko pa sumali sa I have a friend. I have a friend whose name is... sige, maglaro tayo dito. Wala pa yung rice ko. Malamig na yung siomai. Well... Sige, sinong pangalan? Bigay kayo pangalan. Uy, si Chingu. Hi, Chingu. Okay yan, next natin. Yay! Sali ulit ako, Spit. Sali ulit ako. Do you play Valorant? I do, yes. I just started playing Valorant this year. As in, okay. I have another kwento about Valorant. So before, nung naglabas ng teaser about Valorant, I'm so excited. Kasi, ang galing, it's like, was it third person? It's like, parang shooting game siya ng League of Legends. So, I'm expecting na League characters yung nandoon. Tapos, biglang, may baril. Para pala siyang Counter-Strike. Sinisip mo na ko. Para siyang Counter-Strike. Sabi ko, pero may powers. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Hindi pa League characters. Ayoko na nga. So, nagdaan maraming taon. Naging, na yung rice. Okay, BRB.
What? I was like, wait, why does that look the same?
Do I need
No, you can put it here.
It's your album. The one you got from...
Here pa.
Hindi ka ba?
Mamaya na po. Thanks. Good night po.
Oh, really?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. No, thank you so much. Well,
Pag may makasama ka, libre mo na. Kasi sa'yo.
K-pop world? See you at K-pop world.
We should go. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. Good night. Okay. I have my rice now. Rice. Wait lang. Narinig yung mga, I'll just need to remove my special line from Novotel. It's my 9 na. Pang 9 ko na ata. It's so nice. I like it than braces. Because, I don't know. I just like it. Tsaka pala, di ko alam hindi ko inask, pero kasi grinder ako. Grinder? Parang yung pag nagtutulog ako, nag-grind yung teeth ko. Oh, natin. Thank you. Bye. Everything I see is red. Okay. Anong kinikwento ko? So, parang feeling ko mas okay sa akin. Tara, kain na tayo. Nagpabili din ako ng Thai milk tea. Because, tapos naman na yung show. Well, nakaisip na ako ng TMI. Naalala akong TMI. What? So, diba, you know that I don't think I can share it pala. Wag na pala. Hindi pala pwede. Not because it's it's too TMI. It's too much. It's very too much. It's not because it's TMI, but oops. Nakita kayo. It's just because basta engagements. I cannot say things about it. Buti naisip ko. It's a baon. It's a baon. What time na dyan na? It's 9 p.m. And kakababa lang ng araw. Imagine, 9 na. Okay, let's eat. The spicy, hungry siomai. Spicy sauce and toyo. Lamig na nga. Yes, Miss Victoria. Sarap. I like it. Siomai and rice. Happy birthday, Clarice. Si Natalie. Happy birthday, Natalie. I've got a friend whose name is Natalie. Wala siyang salawal, wala siyang Di ba kumain na lang ako? Ibang klase animo. Hi Team Riza, kain po tayo. Ba't lahat kayo may birthday? Hi, Taro-san! See you next week, Taro. Are you ready for next week? See you, Taro. We miss you. Hi, Neng. Nanonood si Neng Rans. Guys, watch the teaser. Let's watch the teaser. Toy Friend teaser. Hey. The kulot. Hey. Let's go. SB19 XB first. Toy Friend MV coming out on August 11. Oh, 11 na. Excuses. Go kayo sa YouTube ng 1Z and SB19, guys. And be first. You'll see Toy Friend. Wow. Hey. Just another Toy Friend. kaya pag naka-live, laging birthday ng mga tao tsaka exam? Sa bagay, mayroong nagba-birthday everyday. Ano kayang pwedeng lutuin? Cordon bleu. Hey, Kim. Hey, Chi. I'm done. Mahaba-haba ko pang ubusin yung milk tea. Should clean up ang pinagkainan. One, two, three, kanya-kanya na. Napakinggan mo na yung new song ni Maki. Oo. Pakinggan ko yun. Bago i-release. And I'm so, I'm so lucky kasi bago i-release ni Angela Kin yung music niya, napakinggan ko. Bago i-release ni Maki yung song niya, napakinggan ko. I'm so, I have, advanced privilege. So happy. Pero, nung napakinggan ko siya, tinatry kong hindi ko siya pakinggan lagi. Kasi, I want to add sa streams, yabang naman. Naka-premium, yes. Naka-premium. Pero, I want, sabi ko, okay, hindi ko muna ito papakinggan para mag-add sa streams. Tapos, pag sa end ng year, your top artist, ganyan. Minanipulate yung anong bracelet yan lagi mong suot? It's may kita kaya yung logo? It's kita ba? Sino yung nasa likod? You know what? It's so, I don't know. So far sa tour namin, because I mentioned to you guys na I cannot sleep alone, usually. Nag-ano ako, sleep paralysis. Parang I got scared whenever I sleep alone sa unfamiliar places. Nang walang kasama. Alone nga eh. But for this tour, never. Nakatulog ako na maayos. Like, I don't know. Hindi ako nag-sleep paralysis. I'm sleeping alone. I'm good. I'm fine. Weird. Actually, is it tour bus siya? Kasi it's not actual tour. It's like just Thanksgiving show pala. Oh my god. Actually, hindi siya. Technically, it's like a tour kasi we've been to different places. But it's not the usual tour that we do. Like previous concerts na pupunta kami kasi marami kaming shows. But this time, it's more of like having shows, small shows lang. For like, kasi dito kami sa ibang bansa, so why not have a show? You know. Red. Everything I see is red. Mag-advise ka para ma-crash back. Kung hindi ka niya bet, ano ka magagawa dun? Es sa pula-pula-pula. Pula-pula-pula. Yan, nakakalasis naman. Pula-pula-pula. So, masalasis ako sa red. Everything I see is red. Ba't kaya puro red na nakikita niya, no? Ano ba sabi ko? My 9 na. Ang 9 ko na. Need to remove my special line from Novotel. Novodental! Oh my god. Nietzsche. Novodental pala. Advice ko sa mga batak magselos. Selos ka lang. Pampatibay yan ang relasyon. Charot. Ba't kaya lagi natin sinitake ang drinks? Kamusta experience sa pagpunta niyo sa Riot? It's life-changing. Life-changing! It's, how would I say it? Nakaka-geek out siya. Parang, yung kasama namin, na, si Lunari. Hi, Lunari. Thank you so much. Gulat sila, ang dami kong alam. Like, kasi it's so good din, kasi yung staff namin, nakasama namin yung content, fan din siya. Kami dalawa ni Pablo. Tapos parang, it's so nice. Nakita mo yung mga, ang na-appreciate ko doon, how, naglag. Kumbaga, parang, how does a company make things or make the environment fun? And parang they really put attention sa community, like sa mga fans ng Riot Games. Parang they really appreciate yung nabobuong nabobuong mga ganap. It's like, kasi di ba yung pagpasok mo doon, nalagay nila yung mga awards ng ganyan sa e-games, yung nag-design ng specific na drawing, drawings ng mga nasa community lang na because sa mga gets ba, parang sa smallest things they put it dun sa office nila and it's fun kasi may questions. Tapos meron sila dun yung naalala ko, merong match found. You know, pag naglalaro kayo ng League of Legends, mag-queue kayo. Tapos match found. Meron silang wall dun, match found. And then, nilagay nila doon yung photos ng mga naging naglag na naman ako. Hala, naubos na yung brain cells ko, nalulobat. Pauwi na kasi tayo ng Japan, pa-expire na, you know, guys. Yung mga naging couple sa loob ng Riot. Like, yung mga employees nila na naging couple inside. Match found. So witty, guys. It's so cute. Tapos may kita yung pictures nila doon. Nagko-cosplay sila. Basta ganun. It's so nice. It's so cute. Match found. Tapos, doon nga yung wall ng mga artworks ng mga players na nanghihingi sila ng konting points. I'm not sure. Pwede pala yan. Manghihingi ka ng RP. May drawings sila doon. Tapos ang cute na drawings. I mean, hindi siya yung magandang drawings. Pero it makes sense. Na parang meron doon isa yung Vlad. Nag-draw, yung alam yung sa paint, naglalagay siya bilog na red. Tapos nilagyan ng arrow. Vlad. It's Vladimir, nag-W. Nakabilog na reds. It's di ba? Tapos nilalagay nila yun kasi it's fun. It's parang nakaka-feel ka ng belongingness. And then if mag-work ka dun, may kita mo yung story na uplift ka, ganyan. Parang, it's so nice. Even yung mga, mga offices, kasi diba sa loob, office yun. Sa loob may mga rooms, syempre, ganyan. Tapos yung mga rooms nila, Bilgewater, Bundle City, ganoon. Tapos sa loob doon, yung mga rooms, pangalan, Echo, Jinx, yung mga characters. Sobrang ganda. Parang, na lang, sige, di na ako mag-SB19, doon na lang ako magtrabaho. I like yung suot ko kanina. It looks nice. Even yesterday, actually. Ganda na suot ko. I like it. How do you like my outfit? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Sinong main mo? I like playing mid. Green Supremacy, yeah. I like playing mid. Leb. Echo. Actually, Lux. I like playing Lux mid. Parang feeling ko ang OP ni Lux. Kung tumatama yung Q. Kung tumatama yung Q. Pero Echo, LeBlanc, kanya. Timo, parang sarap pa. Paminsan, gusto ko yung mga nagtatanim. Zyra. Like playing Zyra din. Ito na naman tayo. Ngangata tayo ng yellow. Dahil yellow is life. Ay, dalawa yung balat. Everything you see is red. Crimson. Hindi tubig. I have so many Zyra skins. Dalawang lang skin ko kay Zyra. Yung parang lava, fire was Zyra. Which I got nung ni-release si Zyra. I think that's her first skin. So binili ko agad kasi sabi ko, ay, ang ganda ng character na to. Nung time na yun, I was playing Zyra. Yung passive niya pa ay yung magsushoot ng, I don't know if naabutan niya yun, yung magsushoot ng, parang pag namatay si Zyra, magiging flower siya, tapos pwede ka mag-last shot ng, parang gano'n. I'm that old. Yeah, that's yung second. Kakakuha ko lang sa, I think I got it from the, ano man tawag doon? Yung mga libre lang. Yung nag-open ka ng something. Because I got it from there. Yung Black Rose. Is it Black Rose or something? Yung kulay, anong color yun? Pale blue. Pale blue na ano? Pale blue na skin na flower. Maka-old. No, I was young nung nag-start ako mag-league. Hextech best. Ayun, Hextech. Nandito pala si Miss Ini. Nood kayo ng ating streamer friend. Si Miss Ini. Si Ini na laging bagets. Forever young. Yan. Si Ini na forever young. Sama sana ako eh. Invite natin to. Ano ba to? Para ba invite yan? Kaya kaso hulaan mo kung nasan ako. Tumatae. Ayop na yan. Kaya pala, Gapel, lakas ng utot mo kanina. Mas Kuya Mark, nanonood din. Ang ating ang gumawa ng hair natin ngayon. Hi Kuya Mark. Nakapag-empake ka na ba? Ready ka na bang mag-shopping sa Japan? Vocalization. Vocalization. Yung vocalization ni Pablo, parang ang tawag doon, lip trill. Tagay tayo ng ice. Calpis. Yung drink yun, di ba? Yung parang milk. Milk milk. Ang tama. Nalamig na ako. Kakanga tayo ng yelo. Pero walang titigil. Kamusta na yung painting mo sa Weaver? Yun ba yung may mukha-mukha? Yan, di pa siya tapos. Nandun sa bahay, nakatenga. Like, nawala na ulit yung will ko mag-paint. Andito ako, ang will ko ngayon ay laro ng League of Frontera. Wala na rin yung will ko magbasa. After magbasa, nag-painting. Ngayon, maglaro ulit tayo. Bumabagyo ba sa Pilipinas ngayon? Anong books binabasa mo? Ngayon, yung binabasa ko ay Remarkably Bright Creatures. Pero before this, tinry ko basahin yung Theo of Golden Theo. Basta yun. Bumabagyo! Oh no, mag-ingat kayo dyan, guys. Tanungin ko ang pamilya ko. Saan yung bagyo? Like, I mean, saan nakatama? Saan nakatama? Saan siya? Ingat kayo, guys. Baga. Ah. Ingat, baha. Ano na. Malakas ulan, baga. Nako. Ingat, guys. Kasi, alam niyo na, flood control. Lamig na ako. Namatay yung ilaw. Kasi hindi siya nakakaramdam ng movement from there. Dito kasi malayo. Saka magtigil na daw ako mag-live. Guys, gotta say goodbye na. Tsura ko, di ko pa natatanggal yung contacts kong blue eyes. Yun na. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for spending your time kahit umuulan dyan. Thank you for to those who went to our fan meet today and tomorrow. Si Audrey, shout out. Hi, Patty. Yung mga friends ko, ano na. Goodbye, guys. Thank you so much. We're going to Japan. We have a fan meet there, so I hope you could go. Japan sa ZEP, Yokohama. Not sure, but yeah, see you there, guys. We'll be going to Japan, Summer Sonic, and yeah, our fan meet sa 18, August 18. See you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Babush.